Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to remove ads on Minion Rush. Removing an ad from the game Minion Rush involves making an in-app purchase. So here is how you can do it. Open up the Minion Rush application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and look for the left-hand side menu where you will be able to see the Ads VIP button. Tap on it and then choose whether you'd like to block ads for 7 days or for 14 days. Choose one of the Buy For option in green and follow through the purchase process. Follow any prompts to complete the purchase and you will be able to remove ads from Minion Rush after the purchase is completed. Alternatively, if you don't want to make the purchase, you can go ahead and turn on the airplane mode on your Android device or your iOS device, and turning on the airplane mode while playing the game will prevent ads from loading. So those were some of the methods you could use in order to remove ads on Minion Rush. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.